Welcome to New England Industrial Machinery, where we have the privilege of selling this 2019 Haas VF-2SS super speed vertical milling machine, 3-axis. Has a 30 horsepower spindle motor, 30 position tool changer, Cat 40 spindle nose, whips probing, chip auger, programmable coolant, and an upgraded spindle RPM goes to 12,000 RPM. Has a total of 613 cutting hours on it, feed cutting time. Want to run it again? VF-2SS 2019. Again, 613 feet hours on it. Super clean. Operator's manuals. So that's the machine. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We'll be happy to help you and look forward to working with you. Thank you.